my gosh, you guys, I know I don't have anything on right now. Oh my god. But happy Pride. It's June 2021. It's Pride month, but you guys, honestly, like, Pride should be every single month. You guys should be prideful of what you are, what you believe in. We are pride. I mean, everybody should be full of pride of some sort. As you guys know, I made a video a few months ago that I came out as non-binary. You know what? Long story short, I'm just me. I'm me. I'm happy. I'm very content. I'm content on who I am, what I'm attracted to, what I love, how I wake up every day. I'm very, very happy in my own skin, and I want to send my vibes and positivity to you guys. And I hope all you guys out there, all my babies out there, the journey will be the journey, and you guys will always come to a point where you guys are happy in your skin. Everyone's journey is written different. You're gonna be you, and you're gonna love who you are. I promise. Everybody has its own journey. It's rough. Some are easy, some are rough, some are hard. Mine was a very, very interesting journey, but I am very happy on who I am. And hi, bun. My bun is totally out of the camera, but it's okay because I'm getting ready for a show tonight. But today we're gonna go ahead and celebrate Pride. I'm gonna do a rainbow eye. I'm a little late, but you guys, in the studio today, we do have the full Morphe collection. Now, you guys know Morphe is an ally to the LGBTQ community, and every single year they celebrate Pride, and I'm just very excited this year because I kind of peeked at it, and yes! So thank you guys so much for using my promo code at morphe.com or in store. If you guys use the code Kimora, it does save you money off at the end on anything you guys want, to be honest. Like, honestly, go to Morphe after this video, shop on Morphe, get a refill, get on something. If you guys need some Morphe references, like, honestly, I feel like today's Morphe product will be the Morphe Equalizer. This is one of my favorite primers ever. I'm telling you guys. Hold on, let me show you guys. Like, look, you guys, I literally own more than one of these primers. I use this primer all the time, every day. I stack it on top of my Milk Primer Grip. It's just one of the best primers ever. Affordable. Like, if you guys want something like waxy, soft, blurred, and just feeling amazing, that makes your foundation amazing, like, this is it. This is my favorite primer. Like, this is what I would say affordable, but does the fucking job. So, Equalizer, totally the motherfucking primer. This is the full PR right here. Live with love. It is very heavy. Yeah, this is so beautiful, you guys. Like, I will honestly probably keep this PR because it's just so beautiful, and it's rainbow, and it's just so, like, prideful and joy, and I love it. So, hello, Miss 𝗏𝗏𝗏, you guys. 𝗏𝗏𝗏, as you guys know, is a former judge on RuPaul's Drag Race and also a singing sensation icon. He looks so fucking beautiful. I'm actually very obsessed with this holographic, like, 3D situation. It looks like he's dancing. I love 𝗏𝗏𝗏, and I'm not gonna take this away from him. I'm just saying, I would have loved to see like someone that does their makeup, you know? I don't know if he does his makeup. I think Lipstick Nick did this makeup, but I would have loved to see someone use this palette and just really, like, sit one-on-one with you and talked about Pride and doing makeup and inspiration behind it, because I mean, like I said, I'm not gonna take it from 𝗏𝗏𝗏. I mean, I don't know, these brands, like, I feel like brands are very fast to slap like a face on something and just sell it. I would actually purchase something knowing, like, oh wow, like, dude, this fucking bomb-ass person just nailed the shit out of this palette, and I want to fucking be this person. Like, you know what I mean? I think nowadays a lot of brands, they tend to take faces with like 2-3 million followers, and they just slap their face on it. I get the whole thing about, like, you have followers and you can sell a lot of product. Anyway, so this is the Pride full collection. We do have a mirror here. We have the iconic palette, and then we have the brushes. Now, I did peek at these brushes. First of all, can we just talk about these colored brushes? I'm gonna pull these out because I'm actually very, like, in love with this. So this is the canister for the brushes. Look at these brushes. I think you guys should get these. These are so adorable. They come in rainbow color, obviously. And obviously, by looking at these brushes are motherfucking iconic. So I love these. This is the new palette, Live with Love. And then we have it here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I will be using these colors today, you guys. So here you guys go. The full coloration, the full beat, the full everything. Now, these are so beautiful. I would definitely be diving into these. I'm not really a big fan of the top row. I mean, they all look really similar to me. It's not really something like I would use, but honestly, you guys, I always say everyone needs to own a color palette because you don't know what you're gonna use it for, and I feel like if it's gonna be a color palette, like you're gonna be scared of using color, you would rather have it in one palette, because let's say like you're going out or somewhere and you're like, oh my god, I need to do like green or blue or whatever, I'm gonna run to this palette. So I do love this palette. I still have, I want to say their first palette. Like I really say I pull this out all the time, I'm telling you guys. So here is the old one. I want to say this is like 2 years ago. This is this year. So, I mean, they're very similar. Actually, they're not. Like, they're really are different. So, I will be playing with this one today. And yeah, so let's go ahead and start. I'm going to shut up, get this going, and let's see what kind of rainbow I am going to do. I'm so scared. All right, you guys. So, my idea of the Pride look today, you guys, is going to be like very pinks and purples. Not pinks and purple, but like pinks and oranges and yellows right here. And then we're going to pull out and really bring in like the blues, the greens, and the purples, and really end it with black. So my whole idea is black liner underneath, and it's gonna kind of wing in and really pull out. I think that's gonna be a really cute look. I think a lot of people are doing the whole like purple, blue, and green here, and then the whole like red and orange and yellow. Let's go ahead and get a white from Jaclyn Hill palette. I love her bright highlights, you guys. Like honestly, these palettes are everything. If I had a code, I would totally give it to you, but I do not have a code. So I'm just gonna get a little highlight, just really pack it here. I honestly cannot believe I'm going to my show actually in Rainbow Eyes. The girls gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm actually performing with Angina today. 𝗬𝗟𝗘𝗏, Pandora Box. Now that we got that on, it's just like a quick little highlight, you know? All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and start. So by looking at the color, I'm literally gonna start from like pinks and reds and yellows, and really bring out like that green and purple, you know, like that vibe. So I really want it to be just very soft and clean. I don't know if I'm gonna cut my crease yet, we'll see. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and see this. Let's do a little red, like right here. Oh wow, look how pigmented that is. Jesus Christ. Oh wow, that is pigmented. So basically when I do one eye, I'm gonna do the other because I wanna make sure I really place these colors the way it should be. So I'm gonna keep the red tight. Okay, now that was Seek Change, the shadow. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Stay Strong red. I wanna get the pink on first because I think this pink is going to be really pretty. So now let's go ahead and get this pink. Okay, this pink. Oh, look at this pink, you guys. Wow. Oh my god, look at this pink. Look at this pink. Jesus, that is so fucking pretty. Oh, that pink is pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little bit of orange. See, I didn't know like how my brows are gonna look because I'm probably gonna have to like blend some. I need to figure out where my yellow's gonna go. Bitch, a bitch is running out of eye space. Maybe my yellow, let's see where the yellow can go. Maybe my yellow can go like right here. Like a little sunset vibe. Yeah, cut. Okay, so get that yellow on. I love that. The yellow is pretty pigmented. It could be a little bit more pigmented, but I'm okay with this. So basically, you guys, I'm just really working this area right here and back and forth, really blending the colors in and just getting it to the point where like, I don't wanna like, well, actually I want it as red as it can be. And then that orange is so lovely. So let's get some more of that yellow in because I don't think we need more orange. Speaking of Pride, you guys, oh my god, right now, I totally forgot. Right now, you guys, beautyblender.com. I am featured on Beauty Blender. I'm so excited. Now, this is what I'm talking about, you guys, like with a story. Like, the Beauty Blender was so nice enough to reach out to my agency and was like, you know what, we want to know Kimora, we want to know Kimora's story, we want to understand her, we want to get to know her vibe and her favorite products. And you guys know I love Beauty Blender. Like, literally, I always have like beauty blenders everywhere, and they were so nice enough to ask me for my story, and I gave them a whole spiel on who I am and what am I prideful for and things like that. And also, you guys, right now on Beauty Blender to the 15th of June, if you guys use my code Kimora20, okay, Kimora20, you will save 20% off on Beauty Blender, which by the way is like 20% hello work. So that being said, I'm obsessed with Beauty Blender. So if you guys want to take this time right now or after the video to go check out beautyblender.com, everything is linked down below, and check out Beauty Blender. I'm so excited and so grateful that Beauty Blender reached out because I was like gagged. I told my managers, I was like, absolutely, like, let's fucking do it. But yeah, it's just amazing to see them reach out and put me like a little old me, you know what I mean? Like for Beauty Blender to reach out to little old me, just to really feature me in my story and my life as a homosexual, prideful Asian American, it's just amazing for a beauty blender. Like I love Beauty Blender more now. Like I literally love them more. So right now, you guys, beautyblender.com, they feature me in the front page. I'm so like stoked by it. Okay guys, so this is not the green that I wanted, but I'm gonna use it anyway. So this green right here is not the green that I want, but I'm gonna use it. So taking that green, let's go ahead and kind of really blend it in. It's not the green that I want, but it'll work. We just need a little pop, you know, like a little pop. How pretty. Okay, there's another green shade in here that I'm like kind of intrigued by. It's called Go Forward. So let's go ahead and just see. Okay, so that's prettier. So basically I'm gonna take this color and I'm just gonna really blend it in. It's almost like a blue, like army green, I wanna say. It's definitely better than that weird lily pad green. I don't even know what kind of green that is. Like I feel like they should have put like a regular green. But easily if I wanted a regular green, I could pull that other palette out because that palette had it. And then now I know I'm gonna jump into purples, but I really wanna pack on purples first before blue. So what I'm gonna do is take this really pretty purple called Show Compassion and bring it in, and then I'm gonna use this almost as a black. It's almost gonna like bring it in, and then underneath, black liner, bring it in. It's gonna be pulled out, very wisp. Taking that purple, oh, look at that. It's like coming together. You wanna pack it, okay? I'm gonna pack it on. I always like to take my finger and blend it with my finger. You know, Morphe shadows are very pigmented, but this one, for some reason, like, it's too pigmented. Like, it's literally giving me like what it looks like in the palette. You know how like some shadows and brands, like it looks purple when you put it on, it doesn't, it's like, girl, what the fuck is going on? And you know, girl, some brands, when they be sitting there in that little round table with like 12 other people, they be trying this shit on. Girl, y'all try these palettes and you guys all agree. That's what I find interesting. Is like, y'all went through all that and y'all agreed this works. Like, I feel like they're all like, yeah, this purple works, this purple works. Ooh, how pretty. Now I'm gonna take this blue shade and I'm just gonna mix it right here. How pretty. I've said like that literally so many times. But I think it's actually really pretty. Okay, now taking this and just really, I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and really clean it, so I'm not really like mad about underneath. Oh wow, that's so pretty. All right, you guys, so now taking a makeup wipe, I wanna cut it now to really see like what it's gonna look like. And then we're gonna go back in with a little bit of black liner. I really need the black liner there because I think the black is gonna really make it like that special. Oh wow. Look at that. And then now, should I do like a white or should I do like a very like shimmery lid? I think I should do like a shimmery lid. Okay, so these are ColourPop little like shimmer shadows. So I want to see like with this thing on. Like what? Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just, and just kind of place it like right there above my eye. Like, okay, so a little tip and trick with these, you guys, they're very sticky and you cannot put these in the crease because if you put them in the crease, they will literally fall off. And then make sure you put like a lot because depending on the light, oh, look at that. Now wipe your brush off. Let me see if there's like a shimmer shade. I really want like a shimmery, but okay, we're gonna go ahead and use this one right here. I mean, oh yeah, actually, that's actually really pretty. That's actually really pretty. It's very like basic shimmer, you know? But I mean, I feel like every palette needs this. We're always gonna want something kind of like light. So now that we have that on, we have pretty much like the bases. I'm gonna go ahead and do like some rhinestones here maybe. But right now what we wanna do is we want to get the black liner on. So you guys know lately I've been just so obsessed with the fresh feedback from P. Louise. Now I use this as a liner all the time. I mean, honestly, if you're doing like costume makeup, then this makes sense. But if you're going out every day, maybe you guys should stick to a liner. Because I just get it on like that. And then I go back and I set it with like a black shadow. Okay, so it gets on like that. And then now what you want, I look nuts. Pull a black shadow. Like, I'm gonna pick this one here from this old Pride collection and just take a black and just almost like set it. It literally like saves you from like just going with pen fill, but it is a little messy, I will tell you that. But if you're someone that does the eyes first, you should be fine. Look how fucking pretty that is. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just take a makeup wipe and just really clean it. Ooh, this is probably like the best rainbow I've ever done. I'm like obsessed. This question, should I put rhinestones on it now? Yes, let's go ahead. You guys gonna stay with me. All right, guys. So I always buy my rhinestones from like a Michael's. You can literally get like so much in a box. Like honestly, it'll probably be like the box like and inside there's so many little rhinestones that you can use. Take the little point, and then what you want to do is you want to just really, and then take a fan because Tati glue is so strong. Actually, we can do our brows while we wait. So I'm gonna do my brows. I literally had to coordinate my costume today, you guys, that I'm wearing all black because these eyes, All right, so now go ahead and take a tweezer, and what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna place these little glitters, these little rhinestones. And I'm gonna pick AB today because AB has like tints of blues and pinks in it. All right, guys, we have the full look. Before I put lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and get my foundation on off camera. So I will be right back with the final Pride look. Do you guys wanna see my makeup? Look at it, oh my God. Peek at this eyeshadow, y'all. You guys, we did it. Oh my goodness, you guys, y'all. This by far will go down in history in my, on my YouTube channel, as I honestly think I did like the best rainbow eyeshadow. Like, I actually really love it. It has a little touch of black. It's totally me. It's still on brand, but a little Pride moment there. But you guys, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Now listen, you guys, happy Pride. Every day is Pride. Whatever you're prideful for, whatever it is, just have pride. Like, I'm just like so happy. Like, it's just Pride Month. Like, Pride Month is amazing to me. If you guys are shopping on Morphe.com or in Morphe stores, thank you so much for using my promo code. My promo code is always working. It's always saving you guys money at the end of the purchase. I love y'all. Thank you guys so much for viewing this video. Like I said, I love you, and I'm late for the show, and I'm about to give this show a little rainbow moment today. So I will see you guys later. Honestly, my next video is a hair installation on how I install a wig. So you guys have been asking for this video. It's coming, and oh God, have a good fucking weekend. I'll see you guys in a few days.